project overview of final ERD diagrams. So we develop this thing, so you have to see everything. Okay, just now I understood the way of format. So it is foreign key and primary key. This is a M, and M is many to many, PK is primary key, so F is foreign key. Okay, this is the final ERD diagram. So we develop this thing. Okay, this already I told to you, some foreign key, many to many, primary key. So this thing, so it's a lots of tables are available. So I think it is the e-commerce website, like, so way of order booking, I think, as per I understood. So I don't need all information about your top to bottom, but I need just what I am a developer. So SQL developer, so it is important. So I think it is nowadays it is important of publicity. So coming to our topic, so you are asking, I don't need this thing, so whatever it may be you are asking, I don't know. So but you are asking ERD diagram, I need query to execute, so we develop it. We develop it. So if you want, you can go on check it. Execution, I am setting to screenshots of about this project. So plus I have to show your database firstly. Okay, so first go on installation of DB browser SQLite. After that you have to open DB browser. Okay, after that go on new database. Okay, where is your database? Already I sent your database, so just click on that one. Don't open these things. Okay, I will show this thing. It is unrelated of your task, but I am sharing that file attachment. Why means it is a clearly and way to way process execution. That's why I am showing this project. So we have to open this thing. Okay, okay, already it is open, so that's why it is asking replace. Okay, so if you want, you can yes or no, whatever it may be, choose. Okay, already I open in my database, so your that is your database. So just it is click on here. Okay, yes, after that you have to open this thing. So already I open in my system, so don't need. So just come to open this one. So finally you will get this thing. Okay, so this is your database. I will show in your requirements, so please go and check it. Now upper part, in middle part, first I check it. This customer are available, test are available. Why means DB SQLite always follows the order wise, capital A to Z, capital A to Z. Always our table names is followed by A to Z. Not only SQL, whatever it may be, Postgres administrated and MySQL, everything is followed order. So it is order based. Okay, you don't confuse. First you have to go and check it. Test is available, tools is available. So I will show in this one also. Right click on browser table, you will get the data information. If you want, you can add, otherwise you don't need. Okay, so that is the thing. So it is already added some information about this thing. So just you have to add or edit. Okay, if you want delete that table query, you can delete it. Okay, I will show in that one also. How can you execute everything, I will show it. But before, you have to see something information about your process. Okay, that is the these thing. So all database are inserted in my system. So if you want, you can go on open it. You will get the same information about like this way of it. Okay, so don't worry. uh, so actually it is very big thing. So nearly 166 about lines are available, so that's why I'm working only one. So that is the big thing. Okay, so you are asking me of format, so I'm showing the output results. Okay, I will show the queries result. Okay, don't worry. First you have to see this thing. Okay, after that we will do anything. Okay, see, you have to see this thing. Okay, so just I'm clicking randomly, I'm not opening directly. So I means if you open every time, it is faces some issues. So that's why I don't need it. So databases all are same. Okay, right? Anybody, any database, all are same. Our data is requirement is saving or not, is executing or not, the data will change or not. Okay, so anything whatever it may be requirement, you have to see. Our database always dummy, not a permanent store in the database. Any database like SQL, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, whatever it may. I know SQL, MySQL and PG admin, so that's why I'm developing easily SQL formats. If you want, you can convert in these things same to SQL queries. Okay, so now we have to now I'm showing the output results. This is your output results. So just select start from ERD app customers, just enter it. Okay, you will get the output. If you are not getting anything, just remove it. Okay, already my system is working, so that's why no need. Okay, so in front of you I'm showing everything. Yes, you got it, the fault reports. Yes, another thing, just I don't waste up my time, so we have to, as a program learner, we have to give the shortcuts, so that's why I'm using the shortcuts every time, right? So you will get some information about the model raw data, quantity uses, model number, raw material ID. You have to execute your query. Suppose if you data save in data table, you will get the query execution format. Okay, right? I think I hope you are understood, right? So it's not big of thing. Anything, whatever it may be, you have to select this thing. You get, by means it is very easy, and finally get it output results. Okay, okay, right? So this is our table requirements. So if you want to go and check it one by one, customers, fault report, invoice line, schedule lines, model raw material, model status, order status details, payment, pay detail, everything, right? So in my case, in my way, I will show easily. That is the, as a programmer, is interesting. Okay, I think you are understand very well, right? Okay, so if you are not any understand, you just don't do anything. Okay, just follow my instruction to what I'm selling to you, it's enough. Okay, so this is the thing overview of project. So I am already sharing to your screenshots, so I will show to another way of format. That is the that is order wise, where to where. So firstly already I shared some files, so that's why this is your screenshots. So you're asking way of screenshots, so that's why I developed one thing. Okay, okay, right. So these are, for example, if you have password user authentication is available, so this thing another opening. Okay, or related is important, so it is randomly opening another page. Okay, so yes, this is our data, so that's why I taken the screenshots. You are asking the screenshots also. So oh no, wait, where? Yes, all others, I think you are observing, right? Yes, one by one it is opening, clicking process. Okay, everything is working. Suppose if you want any changes id and delete permission, I will show that one, or I will provide the some SQL queries. Why means it is very late of time, so all are working, so in front of, so that's why you don't need, just we need to create and update and delete it for requirement. Okay, so SQL is very beautiful and wonderful structure of database. So if you want connect to the MySQL or MySQL, you can go and connect it, that is very easily. First you have to installation process. So now I'm going to installation process, how to installation. Okay, first go and open Google. So db SQLite. Okay, db SQLite. Okay, download SQLite 3, download it. First we will get this thing. Okay, click on this thing, whatever it may be system requirement. So go on the download option. After that your requirement either 32-bit or 64-bit, whatever it may be. If your requirement, my requirement is 64-bit, so that's why I download 64 requirement, this thing, not zip file. So this thing my requirement. So if you want, you can download this thing, or this thing, or this thing. Okay, your requirement. So you can have the installation. After once it is installation process, you will get this icon. Okay, db browser lite, just open new database. This is your file, just click on yes. Already it is showing yes. Save or asking no, discard whatever maybe it is showing. So discard, no, 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 I don't need. Why means it is important of data, so that's why. Suppose if you want your database any showing directly, you can show it, that one also I can show it. 1 minute. Okay, okay, 1 minute. So is skipping. Some large files are available, open directly. Oh sure, no shit. Yes. Oh shit, again it's showing firstly. Office SQL client requirement open. Okay, yes, this is finally got it. Okay, so this is if you want you can go and check it this way of what is the field. So it is a field, our requirement field is right or wrong, go and check it. Okay, I don't give any wrong information. Why means our requirement I put it nearly 164 lines. I think I will show that one also process. Okay, so it is beautiful and process executable, everything is nice. So your topic is very well. So nowadays all our e-commerce websites are following, so order process, test order, everything. Okay, so this is your background. I'm still not opening another field, so it is very late. So that's why it is in character or integer or date field, whatever it may be, it is showing. So date field always. Okay, so integer field, primary field, so character field, or test field. So our requirement is based upon depend upon the developed in my side. Okay, so you are asking way of format, I send to you. So if you want I can send these screenshots also, you can go and check it. Okay, write it. Okay, I will share that one screenshots also to you. So I hope you are understand and enjoy a lot. So but finally I'm saying to you only that thing, your project is very well as far as no, by means I could not create 164 tables. So that's why, see, what is the use of this thing your project. So leave it this project. So just I'm showing. So if you want you can see your data, how many tables are available. Nearly I think 206 tables data is available. So that's why it is very long thing. Okay, so don't worry. So if you want you can show into directly me your administrative. SQL queries are formatted, created, character field, integer field, whatever our field requirement, integer field, character field models, these things. So that's why I'm showing firstly what is the use of first folder, that thing. Okay, okay, I think finally you got some information about from my side. So if you have any doubts about in this project, please feel free to ask me. Definitely I will support you. Thank you.